Good job. Good job, Jordan. Jordan is a sweetheart. She is very independent. Independent in a way, I guess should say curious more so than independent. She likes to go out and she likes to look at things and explore and be adventurous. Very good sitting. But she's a little thinker. She knows what we want from her, and she always comes back and checks in. So at first, when we first brought her out, she was a little bit timid to the sound, but now she's really kind of gotten on her own. So we kind of let her go, let her check things out, really not pay too much attention to her because we're trying to really work her, more or less, her off leash and working with her. Jordan, here please, you can do it. Oh my goodness, big girl. And you can see the excitement in her to come back with us and to hang out and to train. She's a sweetheart, and Miss Jordan is available.